to my channel, and if you're new to this channel, I want to welcome you. On this channel, we talk about law of attraction, manifestation, spirituality, self-development, and so much more, and I want to welcome you all. So, today's topic was all about how do you trust and let go. Like, letting go is a topic which people usually confuse with, and people are just not able to let go. And I will be very honest with you guys, being a person, at times it is not possible for me as well to let go of the things. So I thought of certain techniques, I studied, and here I am. I came up with few tricks and tips for you to understand this let go wala concept, and how you can actually let go of the things which you are literally clenching upon. Now first you have to understand that there is immense power in letting go, because when you're not obsessing over a particular thing, when you're not desperate for the thing, you are emitting that energy out in the universe that even if the thing is there or not, I am working, I am doing all of the things which I'm supposed to do, and I basically do not care if the thing is there in my life or not. So when that obsession, that desperation, that restlessness for having or not having of that thing is removed, that is when you completely let go, and that is when that thing automatically comes towards you, because that is when you become a vibrational match to your manifestation or whatever the thing that it is that you want. That is when you actually become a magnet to whatever it is that you want, and that thing just attract towards you, just come towards you, and the thing cannot resist your energy, and hence it has to come towards you. So now this is what happened. Now at times people are just not able to let go. Like, letting go, as simple as it is, but I know it is just not easy. Letting go of a specific person, letting go of your job, letting go of money, letting go of desire. So basically letting go is not easy, but here are certain tips and tricks which you can use in your life, which will make letting go simpler for you. So now you have to understand that you are a powerful being who is 100% responsible for whatever his or her life is. If it's miserable, if it's not happy, if it's all blaming and criticizing, it is you and not your outside world, because your inner reality creates your outer world. It's never going to be the other way around. It's always going to be this way around. You are responsible for your reality, because 90% of your reality is created by your subconscious, is created by the way you think about things, is created by your actions. So basically your thoughts create your actions, and your actions creates your reality. This is the thing which is happening. Now you have to understand that since you are the master and you're not the slave, you have this power to literally change your thoughts. Now if you are obsessing over a particular thing or having difficulty to let go of the thing, I want you to think, how will you think once you have already have that thing? Are you going to obsess over that thing if you already have that thing? Are you going to be desperate over that thing if you already have the thing in the now? You will not, right? Because you are having that thing, so you will basically not care that even if the thing is there in my life or not. That is what I want you to do. I want you to think how you would be thinking, behaving, acting, and whatever it is that you would be doing once you already have that thing, and then gently shift your thoughts from there to here and act that way. Pretend that the thing that you want is already happened. Pretend that it's a done deal. The thing which I want is already here in front of me. Flipping your thoughts, and so basically it's flipping your thoughts, and I know it's not easy. It's easier said than done. But even in my initial days when I was practicing this flipping of things, it was difficult for me. But then with practice, it has become more of a habit for me now. So yes, practice it. Practice flipping of thoughts. Number two, I want you to, write your small manifestations in a diary. For example, you manifested a cup of coffee, or you manifested someone giving you flowers. So basically whatever small manifestations are happening with you, whatever small things which you manifested, write each and everything in a diary. And next time when you feel like you are having problem you next time when you feel that you're not just able to let go of the thing, I want you to take out your diary and read all of your small manifestations which you have written, which has happened with you. That is going to give you hope that since that thing has happened with me, the thing which I want is also going to happen, is mine, is destined to be mine, and will be delivered to me in the right timing. Next, I want you to understand that whenever you feel like you are in this dark gloomy place and you're just not able to let go of the things, you're so attached to the final outcomes of the things, I want you to really think about the fact that the things are always happening for a reason. There's always a good reason. There's always a silver lining of beauty attached to the thing which you're not yet seeing. Understand that things are always happening backstage, and you cannot see what is happening backstage, and you just have to believe, sometimes believe in the process, that yes, that sometimes you just have to believe in the process, that difficult roads often lead to beautiful destinations. The beauty, what it is, why is it happening or why is it not happening right now, you just cannot see it right now. And I swear I could not. This has happened with me so many times. Like, there was this thing which I wanted, it was just not happening. And then later, when I was contemplating on the thing, I realized that I have gotten so much better than that thing which I wanted. So yes, there was a silver lining with the beauty which I want you to understand. Next, I want you to always practice affirmations. Affirmations are my favorite. If you cannot speak yourself, you literally have so many videos on YouTube for self-confidence, for money manifestation, for changing in the physical appearance, of basically everything. I want you to practice affirmations because affirmations are goddamn powerful. And the last thing which I want you to follow is trust your instincts. Your instincts are again powerful. If there's this voice in your head which is asking and which is basically ordering you to do this, and the voice just cannot be quiet, then I want you to listen to that voice. I want you to listen to that instinct, because most of the times your instinct is not wrong about something. The instinct is mostly right about the thing. So I want you to listen to your instinct and do not deny it. Right, so I think that's it for today. If this video helped you in any way, make sure you like the video, share it with your friends, comment on the video how you like it and the next topic which you want me to make. Also, if you're new to this channel, if you like my content, if you like me in any way, you can subscribe to my channel. You can hit the bell icon as well to never miss the notifications. Also, we have this Telegram group where you can join. I'll leave the link in description, where I basically share my learnings in the group. Also, you can consider following me on Instagram as well. I share my pictures and my life basically over there. And if you watched my video till here, I want to let you know that thank you so much for supporting me, for watching my videos, for having faith in me, for listening what I am saying. It just means so much to me. Thank you so much if you are my subscriber, if you're watching me and you watched it till here. I promise to entertain you. This is me, Muskan Mehra, signing off. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.